The first thing we're going to do is load Photoshop. Once Photoshop is open, we're then going to load in a pre-made menu bar that we already have. As you can see, there is nothing special about this. We have a simple, straightforward menu bar, typical of the type of asset that might be provided by a designer within your organisation. Looking at my copy of Photoshop, you can see down the left I have my standard toolbar. From this toolbar, we are going to be using a tool called the Slice tool, represented here by what looks like a small craft knife icon. When we click on this icon, you'll see we have two choices: Slice tool and Slice select tool. We will not be using the Slice select tool direct from this menu, only the Slice tool. Left click the icon to switch Photoshop into slice creation mode. Once we are in slice creation mode, we can then use the Slice tool in the same way that we would use any other tool within Photoshop. We select the tool onto our canvas and then we simply just drag it out to the area that we wish to turn into a slice. As you can see, we get a brown border showing us where the slice is that we've just created. The important part here that you can see is that Photoshop has divided our drawing up into other parts as well, as can be seen here, here, and here. If we then drag out another slice, you will see that we now get other parts filled in various locations on our graphic. Photoshop will slice any graphic given to it into as many parts as it can divide up. The problem is, when this occurs, as you can see from this part here, you may get very, very thin, very small slices within your graphic that are very difficult to work with and really not much use in the final output. To prevent this from causing us problems, what we can do is we can switch on Photoshop's Snap To and Grid tools. So firstly, we'll clear the slices that we've just made. Now we'll use the View menu to show our grid, and then we'll use the View menu again to snap to our grid. What this then gives us is a nice square grid which our Slice tool will adhere to when creating slices. If we now go and drag out our slices again as we did before, we'll see that we can get nice divisions without any small wasted shapes left over.